Binance Futures Trading Tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can do futures trading using Binance. What are the different features and tools we get in order to do trading in futures on Binance. So let's get started. Now, before we begin, I just want to clarify that I am not a financial advisor and this video is for general information and educational purpose only. Futures trading is highly risky and is not recommended for inexperienced traders. Never risk money you can't afford to lose. That being said, let's get into the tutorial. The link for Binance is given in the description down below. Click on the link and you will land on this platform right here. Binance is world's leading cryptocurrency platform that allows you to buy, sell, and trade in cryptocurrency. Today, I will show you that how we can do futures trading on Binance. The option is available and we get a lot of different options, all the tools that we need in order to do trading. Before we get into the video, I just want to clarify that this video is not a financial advice and I am not a financial advisor. Trading in cryptocurrency involves a high degree of risk or rather you afford to lose your money. So before you get into trading, make sure that you truly understand it and you have complete understanding. So that being said, let's get started. Once you click on the link given in the description down below, you will be able to sign up. The signing up process is really easy. You can click on register and then we can sign up with our phone number or email address. We can also sign up with our Apple or Google. So if I sign up with my phone or email, then I can just simply go ahead and select the residence, confirm, and then you click on create personal account. Enter your email address and password, verify your email address, then enter your phone number and verify your phone number as well. So that's it. Once you do that, you will get your own dashboard on Binance and you will be able to do futures trading. After the initial sign up or sign in to your Binance, this is where you will get, this is our dashboard. The link for Binance is given if you want to get your own dashboard and follow me along with this tutorial. Go ahead and sign up right now with the link given in the description. It's very easy for you to sign up with the link. Once you get into Binance, then I will show you how to do futures trading. So you can actually go to Binance Futures as well. If you go to binance.com/futures, then you will be able to check out the trade crypto futures and you can see we have different options. We have USDM futures and coin futures available on Binance. So either you can go ahead and separately sign up for futures, or if you have signed up with the process I showed you, you will get your own dashboard. And in here, we will go to derivatives, and in derivatives, you will find your USDM futures and coin futures. So we have two futures right here available. Let's check out the USDM future because a lot of people will be going with this one. It's more easier and we kind of like settle the contracts in USD. Once you open it up, it will take you to your Binance futures and here we will be able to access all the features and tools. So once you open up Binance futures, then this is our USD, futures. So the first step is, of course, selecting the coin from here, and you can actually select from different USDC, and I'm gonna go ahead and select this one right here, which is the Ethereum one. You will select your perpetual from here, and this is the live price shown here. We have mark, we have index, funding, and countdown. 24-hour change, 24-hour high, 24-hour volume in Ethereum, and then we have 24-hour cap. This is the graph that we get right here for our trading. This is the look of any kind of trading on Binance. Even if you do spot trading, you will get this graph. So with graph, we get a lot of different views. We can go ahead and select the time from here. We can go with a 15-minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, 1 day, or 1 week. I personally go with 1 day mostly because then you kind of like have an idea that what's happening throughout the day. And you can see this is our graph for this coin right here, and it actually went pretty high. So the high was 358. Okay, so it was 3,580. There was the top high for today. But right now we are at 1,472. So it's kind of like going really down throughout the day, and you can get an idea that what is the value of our trade right here. This is the original graph. We can go with a trading view as well. So if I switch to a trading view, then you will be able to get a point of view from trading, because we're doing futures trading. Okay, we kind of like want to get a surety that what's going to happen with this perpetual in future. This is really important factor in future trading, and if you understand future trading, then you will have a better idea that how we can actually secure our future trading on our coins. When it comes to the trading view, we get a lot of different tools here for us to mark right here on the graph, because it's really important. So if I want to mark the highest value right here, I can use this marker, I can use the arrows, I can use text, I can use tails, I can use anything, brushes, to kind of just add right here, and I can determine what's happening, and I can mark my different values to track what I am going to do. So this is our order book right here, and you will be able to check your size, price, and sum. If we scroll down, then we also get a bar graph right here, and it is actually in according to different months. We have positions, open order history, trade history, transaction history, and assets. Everything will be shown here. If your account is brand new and you have no history, then it will be empty, of course. Then we have margin ratio right here and assets. So this is how you can go with a USD future. So let's go to coin. And in coin, then of course our trading view will change. So I am going with coin M perpetual. So this is the look of our coin M. It's very similar to the look of our USDM. You can again select a perpetual from here, and now we are on coin M, you can see, and I can select any of these different perpetual or quarterly, whatever I want to go for. You can also check their 24-hour value, and this is again original view. I can go with a trading view, and we can also get a depth view if we want to. So if I go to depth view, this is our depth view, and it shows us a graph, and we can actually get a depth view according to the prices, not just time. So it is going to be according to the prices. Then of course we can expand. Let's go back to trading view. In trading view, again, we're getting our technical indicators, display settings, bars, and candles. We can snapshot, we can compare. So that's really good. What I can do is I can click on this compare option, and I can actually compare this pricing right now. And I have just randomly selected this perpetual. You can go with any of these, and if you want to, you have a perpetual in mind and you have a coin in mind, you can go ahead and sign up for Binance right now and get to Binance futures. The link is given in the description down below. It's the easiest way to sign up for Binance, and you will be able to do future trading really easily. So you simply just enter the company for comparison, or you can also add a symbol. Once you have added it right here, then you will be able to compare it. Again, we have our order book, and if we go down again, we will be getting our margin ratio, assets, everything will be shown here. And now I will actually take you back to my dashboard, and I'll show you that where we can actually see all of our future that we have actually saved, our future trading, our insights. I take you back to my dashboard. So right now, when we are on our dashboard, I can go to futures, and it will show me my balance in futures. So if you want to check your balance in future, you can just go ahead and do that. You can also create an account on futures if you want to separately. We have to do that, and you can just click on open now. You will be able to create your brand new account with the account that you already have on Binance. The link is given in the description down below. Click on the link and you will be able to do future trading on Binance. I showed you how to do CoinM and USDM future trading. It's really easy to use, and you will be able to trade in your favorite perpetual or quarterly, whatever you want to select. Make sure that you truly understand everything, and then Binance will make it easy for you to trade in futures. The link is given in the description down below. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to do futures trading on Binance. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.